国际消息来关心，英国有一台火车顶头竟然有人举刀乌白杀人，其中有9个人是重伤，有生命危险。而且这2个嫌犯佫想要偷选去，加载有互警方抓起来。
发生在一列车停伫月台边，月台甲铁轨路有不少检测人员咧翕相收证。英国当地初一一个会南约克郡顿卡斯特车站要开向伦敦国王十字车站的列车，伫经过剑桥郡亨廷顿车站进前，向10人提刀堵上无熟悉的乘客。
I was in Coach G, and there was quite a few people coming through Coach G, and one of the people that were coming through had my headphones on. Then heard them say, "Oh, they've got a knife. I've been stabbed."
其他乘客紧急报警，也通报火车驾驶，互驾驶紧急将火车停伫东英格兰的市一小镇亨廷顿车站，然后警方全副武装赶到现场，逮捕被夺走的2个嫌犯。
Armed police responded to the incident just before 8 p.m. this evening, and they were able to neutralise the threat. 2 people have been arrested, but there have been multiple stabbings. I'm not aware.
伫月台等车人指出，迄时阵看到火车内有人受伤落血，火车停落来开门了后，真侪乘客受伤逃出车厢，也有人身躯带血迹。警方初步统计，至少10人受伤，其中9人伤势严重，有生命危险，已经紧急送医。英国首相施凯尔知影了后，伫社群平台 X 发文表示，案件是真惊人，互人真烦恼。也慰问所有受影响的人，而且感谢紧急部门应对真紧。目前警方要进一步调查嫌犯犯案动机。火车兴奋上，伦敦东北铁路公司已经暂停公司所有铁路路线协助处理相关的调查。公司新闻，但是当朋友。